Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to Struggle Dude. In this video we are going to teach you how to download Kinemaster Pro APK latest version. Before starting the video, if you are new in channel make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you love the video make sure to like also. We make many more video for you so please show some support so I can get motivate to make many more video for you guys. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, to download click on the link given in the description below. You will see many ads in this site so download the apps. If you don't want to see ads or just go down there you will see Kinemaster Pro app, click on that. Click one of download link among them. Click on free download. Wait until generating download link. After that click on download. Wait for some time, after that click on proceed download. Click on I'm not a robot, then click on start download. Then you can see do you want to download Kinemaster Pro APK? Click on OK, then you can see start downloading. Like this you can download Kinemaster Pro APK. Thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe and press bell icon so you never miss any new video, and like the video too. If you want any other help, feel free to comment, I will try to make a video for that too. Okay, see you all guys in next video.